All right, we're getting ready to make some risotto here. Got my Spice and Easy. You guys ready for some risotto?
Yeah!
Absolutely!
All right.
Hey, it's Ash and Baker here in the Savory Spice test kitchen. Today we're making Saffron and Chanterelle Risotto. So yay, let's get started.
Super excited.
All right, because this makes a lot and there's just 2 of us, we're going to do half. So, are you ready to rip it?
Do it.
Get up, we're making risotto.
All right. Cooking for my friends. If it doesn't work, we'll just order pizza.
Top with additional shredded Parmesan, salt and pepper to taste.
Can you read it okay?
You have the butter?
Yeah.
You have the cheese?
Yeah.
So guess what all I had to buy at the grocery store?
What'd you have to get?
I just had to buy butter and cheese, and we got water.
It's more than just rice.
And what is it called?
Risotto.
Risotto.
It's saffron and chanterelle risotto. Do you know what saffron is?
No. Is it a type of rock?
It's a part of a flower, but it's really rare. It's a spice that's really rare and really valuable. It's more valuable than gold.
Oh yeah. Let's try to get a good shot of that. All right, let's stir it around a bit. What do you think?
It looks fantastic.
The smell of this toasting rice is my absolute favorite part. I have made this risotto probably 3 dozen times in the last month, and I never get tired of the smell. It smells like, oh,
No
toasty
lie.
deliciousness.
No lie.
I can already smell it.
Nice. Good?
Yep.
Good job.
Thank you. I poured it in and I soaked it up in the butter.
I did it. I did it. I did it.
Good
So easy, anyone can help. So far, so good. I haven't messed this up yet. But we're getting a lot of good smells coming out of the risotto. Teddy. Teddy. Okay, he's busy.
Why do you toast it first?
Just to build up the flavors.
Does it release anything?
It releases the aromatics of the flavors.
Cool. You look handsome.
Well, thank you, dear.
You ever eaten risotto before?
No.
I think it's Italian for fancy.
And I want you guys to watch this really closely because something amazing is about to happen. All right, now be careful because the steam from this is pretty intense. So you just want to do a little bit at a time and look at that color. That is just gorgeous.
Reduce heat medium low and simmer?
Yeah.
Check out that color.
Looks yummy.
We'll let this go for about 18 minutes or so until the liquid has almost all been absorbed.
That's why we call it a pot of gold.
I love these mushrooms.
We want risotto.
Say it louder.
We want risotto. We want risotto.
Oliver, when was the last time you had risotto? Jameson?
Actually, don't know if I've ever had it.
What? So we've stirred constantly for 2 minutes. It's fairly loose at this point, which is great because we're gonna add in our cheese, which will help thicken it. And then we can go from there. Actually, we're gonna turn the heat off before we add our cheese in. Ooh, parm.
All right, the cheese is melted. It's all mixed together. This is 8 servings. And it's good to go.
Are we ready for the
Yes.
reveal?
Yes.
All right, let's
Very
get
much.
this shot
We've
here.
been, you know.
Oh my God! Look at that!
Wow.
On 3, 2, 1.
It's really good.
That's really good.
I tasted a little bit on my finger before.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
So we're all done. We've stirred in our parm, and now I've set out some plates for us. Here's my parsley. Woohoo!
So easy and elegant. I'm excited. Lunchtime.
Ah!
We did it.
Yay, we did it! Risotto!
Hope you enjoy. Take care.